What if I told you that this beautiful two-story tiny house offers breathtaking mountain views, a rooftop-style balcony, a cozy luxury bedroom, and a surprisingly spacious interior, all while taking up only a fraction of the space of a traditional home? Stick around until the end, because this tiny home keeps getting better with every room we explore. From its peaceful tropical setting to its warm modern interior, this might just be one of the most beautiful tiny homes you'll see today. At first glance, this home immediately stands out, thanks to its unique curved roof that gives it a modern yet welcoming personality. Instead of following the usual box-shaped tiny house design, the rounded roofline creates a softer architectural look, while making the second floor feel surprisingly spacious. The crisp white exterior pairs beautifully with warm natural wood accents around the entrance and upper level. Together, they create a clean, minimalist appearance that feels elegant without being overwhelming. Surrounding the home is an incredible tropical garden filled with colorful flowers, lush greenery, neatly trimmed shrubs, and decorative pathways that guide visitors toward the entrance.
One of the biggest highlights is the second floor balcony. The spacious outdoor terrace extends across the front of the house, creating an incredible place to unwind while taking in panoramic countryside views. Comfortable woven lounge chairs and colorful flower boxes make the balcony feel warm and inviting. Whether you're watching the sunrise, reading your favorite book, enjoying breakfast, or simply relaxing after a long day, this outdoor living space becomes a natural extension of the bedroom. Accessing the second floor couldn't be easier. A sleek white spiral staircase wraps elegantly along the side of the house, adding both functionality and architectural charm. Now, let's step inside through the beautiful arched wooden front door. Immediately, you're welcomed into a bright and cozy living room filled with natural light. Large floor-to-ceiling glass walls on both sides create an open atmosphere while perfectly framing the lush tropical landscape outside. A comfortable, neutral-colored sofa becomes the centerpiece of the room, facing a beautifully designed TV feature wall finished with warm wood panels and subtle accent lighting. A stylish wooden coffee table sits on a soft, textured rug, creating the perfect gathering space for relaxing, watching movies, or entertaining guests. Walking farther toward the rear of the first floor brings us into the kitchen. Designed for maximum efficiency, every cabinet and drawer has been carefully planned to provide generous storage without sacrificing style. Natural wood cabinetry pairs beautifully with bright white countertops, creating a timeless Scandinavian-inspired design. A full-height refrigerator blends seamlessly into the custom cabinetry, while modern appliances make cooking comfortable and practical. Natural light pours through a large window, making the entire kitchen feel bright, fresh, and inviting. Adjacent to the kitchen is a clever dining area. Instead of using unnecessary floor space, a custom wall-mounted wooden dining table provides plenty of room for everyday meals while maintaining an open layout. Comfortable modern chairs, warm pendant lighting, and tasteful wall decor create an intimate dining experience. Next is the bathroom. Although compact, it feels remarkably luxurious. A floating vanity with built-in storage keeps everything organized, while a large illuminated mirror makes the room appear much larger. The walk-in shower features elegant stone-look tiles, a rainfall shower head, and a frameless glass partition that enhances the sense of space. One clever feature is the integrated laundry area. A compact front-loading washing machine fits neatly beneath custom cabinetry, providing everyday convenience without sacrificing valuable floor space. Back in the kitchen, a beautiful wooden staircase tucked neatly into the corner leads us upstairs. Its clean white railing and warm wooden steps perfectly match the home's modern style. Welcome to the second floor bedroom. The curved wooden ceiling immediately creates a warm, cabin-like atmosphere that feels both cozy and luxurious. A large wooden platform bed dressed in crisp white linens sits at the center of the room, surrounded by matching bedside tables and soft ambient lighting. Natural wood walls give the bedroom a peaceful, relaxing character, making it an ideal place to unwind. Large sliding glass doors flood the room with daylight, while connecting the interior to the private balcony outside. Every detail has been carefully selected to create a calm, uncluttered retreat. Beside the bedroom sits a beautifully integrated built-in closet. Full-height wardrobes, organized shelving, and generous storage make excellent use of every inch of space. Just slide open the glass doors, step onto the balcony, and you're greeted by breathtaking views of tropical gardens, endless green rice fields, and majestic mountain scenery. If you enjoyed this home tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible tiny house designs.